Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm Jason Hurt, founder and CEO of PAIJA Tea Co. As an actor and foodpreneur from NYC, I've always had a passion for unique flavors and now healthy living. Growing up in the BX, I grabbed my daily bagel with cream cheese and jelly and OJ before school. As an adult, I noticed a lack of community-owned brands in these stores. And with the rise of craft coffee and kombucha, and with the expansion of bubble tea shops and my love for Thai iced tea, I saw an opportunity to fill a void in the market for a convenient, ready-to-drink option. And that's how PAIJA Tea was born. With PAIJA, we've revolutionized the traditional Thai tea recipe, offering a dairy-free, low-sugar alternative to some of the syrupy sodas and coffees on the market. Our premium milk teas feature exotic flavors like original made with oat milk and mighty ginger and jasmine-infused matcha. These flavors provide an amazing, delicious experience. It keeps you coming back for more. And what sets us apart is not just our overall flavors, but the experience we offer. Our teas are versatile and can be consumed hot or chilled, or even with a little spiced rum on top for your enjoyment any day or night of the year. My goal is simple: to share my vision and earn your support to bring PAIJA Tea to the market. So thank you for joining me as we step away from the ordinary and into a world of flavorful experiences. Together, we can make an impact in our community and earn a share of the multi-billion-dollar beverage industry as a whole. Welcome to PAIJA Tea Co.